What's up guys, Scott here from Out and About. Just wanted to share a great little dispersed camping spot with you. It's in between Frisco and Vail, and it's called Vail Pass. There's tons of dispersed camping spots here for RVs, trailers, vans, and also tent camping, just tons of, also backpacking, tons of different opportunities up here. This dirt road is very mellow with minor washboarding, a few bumps, and slight steep grade. And also, hey guys, be sure to always pick up your trash, follow all the leave no trace policies. There's some trash cans at the rest stop at the bottom of the hill for you to throw away all your garbage. This is a really big parking lot for one of the trailheads here. You can even sleep here if you want to. Keep driving past the parking lot for dispersed camping. There are tons and tons of dispersed camping spots down this road. So there's tons of cool stuff all over the place around here. There's Copper Mountain, Vail, Frisco, Lake Dillon, all different kinds of recreation opportunities around here. It's a really great area. Bring your ATVs and dirt bikes up here. Also, be sure to make time to check out one of the many hiking trails that you can find in this area. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found some value here. If you did, please think about clicking that subscribe button, and be sure to check the description for some cool links. Thank you. Have a great day.